Hey guys, it's Carly. What's going on? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to just be doing a really easy kind of everyday... Ooh, am I in focus? Probably not. I'm just going to be doing this really easy everyday kind of looking a little nicer than I usually do makeup tutorial video thing. If you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start out with some concealer just to cover some stuff up. This is my favorite concealer that I've been using for years. It's the NYX Gotcha Covered Waterproof Concealer. You literally just need like the smallest amount, so I literally just use like, okay, fake tan on the hands. So I just really like brightening up my under eye area. I'm just gonna take a little more of this and just get like, can you not please? Stop. Just get some of my dots, and I just use my fingers for blending or whatever. I'm not too picky about making sure everything's like covered really well. I don't really wear foundation because I just don't like the feeling of it on my face, and I just don't like, I much prefer how my skin looks with like the different tones and stuff. But sometimes when I do have a little bit extra redness, I use the NYX CC cream. So I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and my NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat powder, pressed powder, and I'm the shade Nude right now because I'm a little more tan than usual. And I just use that to set. Oh shit. I'm an idiot. I forgot to do my eyelids. I have just been using this Wet n Wild Coverall Cream Foundation, and I just put a little bit of that on my eyelids. And for some reason, I just really like how it dry. Like it just makes them stay like dry because I have oily eyelids, and it just makes them stay dry. A dot on each eyelid, and then blend that out with my finger, and then I'll set it with some powder in a second here. And I'm just gonna set my eyelids, and then from there I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I just I mean, I don't really like this one, but I've just been using it. It's the e.l.f. brow pencil. I think literally the color is just like brown. And I just fill in my brows a little bit. So yeah, this is kind of goes on like really crayon-y, but like look how freaking nasty that looks. So I just take the spoolie side again and comb it out, and it literally just blends in with your eyebrow hairs. Like it's pretty, it's like alright. It's pretty good for $3 or something. Wow, this hair is really cute. Next I'm going to take my Morphe 35B palette. So I'm just going to take this like creamy color right there and just put it on my eyelid. And I just did that with the, just like this flat just a flat eyeshadow brush. Oh no. Okay, and then I'm going to take this gray, it's called Underneath It All. It's like a brownie, taupey brownie gray color from NYX, and I'm just going to get that on a fluffy brush and just kind of like throw it. Just like throw it into the crease a little bit. I'm just gonna take that flat brush again, put it in the same taupey brown color, and just put it on the lower lash line. Now, just to add a little more definition, I'm going to take this brown, it's kind of shimmery color, just put it on like the outer crease, like the outer corner of the outer crease corner. And it just adds a little more definition. I just take whatever that darkest color was, I put it on the very tip of the flat brush, and I just kind of smoke it into the whatever this is called, lash line. Just really as close to the lash line as possible, and it just kind of makes it look like you're wearing eyeliner, but like it's really soft. Alright, so my camera decided to stop recording. Great. But all you missed was I just put some blush on. Ooh, exciting. So I just used the NYX powder blush in Pinched, and I just kind of swept it up and put it on my temple a little bit. Yeah. And next we're just going to put on mascara. I have really been liking the Extension Plus Waterproof mascara by Marcel. Oh god, I got it in my hair. Okay. Okay, so mascara is done. Last but not least, I'm just going to give my lips a little bit of color. They're kind of pale mousse with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Maniac. So yeah, I'm just gonna line my lips a little bit to give them some color. And I did, I put Vaseline on my lips beforehand so that my lips don't get super dry. Ooh, that's a sexy look. Ooh. Oh. This is the final look. So this is kind of my everyday, like, when I want to look more done up, I guess, but not like full on crazy makeup and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be more variety and more makeup videos and other types of videos coming to this channel soon. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.